Are you looking for a sweet that is healthy and delicious? Then try this traditional Karnataka style Ragi Halbai made with finger millet, jaggery and coconut. A perfect blend of taste, tradition and nutrition. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sathvik Lifestyle. In this video, I will show you how to make soft melt in mouth Ragi Halbai without refined sugar using simple ingredients at home. This is perfect for festivals or guilt-free indulgence. Let us start with the recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of ragi or finger millet. Wash it thoroughly 2 to 3 times to remove all dirt and dust and soak it in fresh water for 6 to 8 hours. Ragi is one of the most nutritious millet and is truly a superfood. It is rich with calcium, fiber, iron and vitamin D. It is also loaded with antioxidants and is gluten-free and easy to digest. After 8 hours of soaking, drain the water and transfer the soaked grain into blending jar. To prepare Ragi Halbai, we have to extract ragi milk. Add 1 cup of water to ragi and blend it and filter it. Before filtering, place a clean cotton cloth over the sieve and filter it. By this, you will get clear ragi milk without any ragi husk. Now, extract ragi milk by squeezing it. After this, repeat the procedure with the left out ragi husk. It contains lots of ragi milk, so transfer the ragi husk again to blending jar. Add 1 cup of water and again blend and filter it. Repeat the procedure 2 to 3 times till you get full ragi milk from the ragi. If you add more water, then the halbai will be more soft and glossy. Here I have added total 3 cups of water and repeated the procedure for 3 times. So don't hesitate to add water. Repeat the procedure till you get full ragi milk. Now it is done and discard this ragi husk. And this is the total amount of ragi milk we extracted from 1 cup of ragi. To that same blending jar, I have added 1 cup of fresh coconut. Add 1 cup of water and blend it. And extract coconut milk. With the same procedure, transfer it to a cloth and squeeze the coconut milk. Repeat the procedure 2 to 3 times to extract complete coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich in healthy fats and that gives you long-lasting energy and helps to improve good cholesterol. It also supports heart health, boosts immunity and keeps your skin and hair glowing. It's great for digestion and helps to reduce inflammation in the body. It is completely dairy-free, making it perfect for those who are lactose intolerant. So, coconut milk not only adds flavor to your dishes but also gives your body a natural health boost. Now, coconut milk is extracted completely. This is the total amount of coconut milk we got from 1 cup of coconut. Now, mix both coconut milk and ragi milk. Let us measure. Here total 7 cups of ragi and coconut milk is there. Transfer the mixture to a thick bottom pan and heat it on high flame. For this I am adding 2 cups of crushed organic jaggery and stir it on high flame. Adding pinch of salt for taste. Stir continuously. You can increase or decrease the amount of jaggery as per your taste. Once the jaggery melts completely and you get this type of bubbles, then you can reduce the flame to medium. So the ratio is for 1 cup of ragi, 1 cup of coconut, total 7 cups of water or milk, then 2 cups of jaggery. Now at this stage I am adding crushed cardamom powder and stir continuously. It will take 30 to 45 minutes to complete. Test of perfectness is the mixture turns glossy or shiny, and if you pour it from a height, it will fall in layers and it will not sink. Now this is done. You can see it is falling in layers and this is time to switch off. Traditional method of preparing ragi halbai is spreading the mixture over a banana leaf. You may not require any ghee or oil application, just spreading over the banana leaf. If you don't have banana leaf, then pour it in any tray or plate greased with the ghee. After complete cooling, you can cut it in desired shape. This halbai is not just a delicious traditional sweet, it is a powerhouse of nutrition made with ragi, jaggery and coconut. 3 simple ingredients available already at home. Now it is cooled and cut it in desired shape. This halbai is packed with calcium, iron and healthy fiber. It helps to strengthen bones, boosts energy and keeps your digestion smooth. The natural sweetness of jaggery makes it a perfect guilt-free treat. No refined sugar at all. Ragi halbai is the best example of how our traditional recipe combines taste and health in every bite. You can see the glossiness and smoothness of the ragi halbai.